Hello friends, welcome to part 4. In the last 3 parts, we went from speech to text, generated captions, and even created a speech from text with voice cloning. Now, in this video, we are going to do something really wild. We are going to take someone's singing voice and convert it to sound like a completely different person. This is called RVC, Retrieval-based Voice Conversion. The idea is simple but very powerful. You feed in an audio of someone singing, and the model transforms the voice to sound like a target singer. Like in this case, Arijit Singh, Bad Bunny, or whoever you have a model for, while keeping the melody, rhythm, and emotion intact. So let me show you a demo.
मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी मेरे महबूब कयामत होगी.
What you just heard in this demo, this is exactly what we are going to build. And the best part, this all runs locally on your own GPU machine. No cloud services, no subscription, no API, just pure local AI magic. Now that's exactly what we are going to build in this block. So first step is, let's start by installing everything what we need. First we need RVC Python package, which is the Python wrapper for RVC inference engine, plus a few supporting libraries. So now let's pip install rvc-python. You will need some additional dependencies if not already installed. Pip install torch audio, sound file. Now here RVC Python is the main package that handles all the voice conversion heavy lifting. So make sure you also have torch and torch audio installed as well. These power the neural network behind the scenes. So if you have been following along from the previous part, you should already have them. Now let's create our project directory structure. We'll need an input folder for our source vocals, an output folder for the converted audio, and most importantly, a weights folder for your voice model. So os.make directory input, os.make directory output, and os.make directory weights. And I'm going to print this. Now this is the most important step that a lot of tutorials skip. To convert a voice to sound like a specific singer, you will need two files. A model weight file, which is a .pth file, and a model index file, which is a .index file. Now these are the files that contain the learned voice characteristic of the target singer. So where do you find these model files? First of all, there is a fantastic community services like weights.gg. You can also get some of these on Hugging Face, but I mostly use weights.gg. So head out to weights.gg in your browser. Here you will find thousands of pre-trained RVC model files, celebrities, singers, characteristics, or you will name it. So let me walk you through the download process. Step 1, you need to go to the site and search for the singer you want. So in our case, for example, Arijit Singh or Bad Bunny, and then you browse the results. You will see multiple model files uploaded for the community. Now make sure that you download both the files. On the model page, you will find the .pth file and the actual neural network weights, and you will find the .index file. That is the voice feature index that helps the model match total tonal qualities. So you need to download both of them. Now finally, once you download, you place both of these files into weights folder. And here is the critical detail. Make sure that both the files have the same base name. So for example, badbunny.pth or arjit.pth should also have arjit.index. The RVC library uses auto detection. So when it loads arjit.pth, it automatically looks for a arjit.index file in the same directory. And if the names don't match, it won't find the index. Just to call out, it depends on your requirement. You can download multiple singer models. So for example, Bad Bunny, Drake, Taylor Swift, and whatever you want. Same process. Search and download the .pth file and .index file. Drop these files inside your weights folder, and then you can even switch between models just by changing the model path in your code. Now, before we write the main conversion code, there is one important fix we need to be applied. So it depends on by the time you're watching this video. As of now, this is applicable. So if you're running PyTorch 2.6 or newer, there is a security feature called weights_only that blocks loading certain model files. So RVC models need this to be set to false. So here in your code, you say import torch, and then for this fix for PyTorch 2.6 plus safe loading, you just say original load equals to torch.load, and here torch.load, and you you make sure that you pass that waits underscore only equals to false. So here from lines 4 through line 6, we replace the torch.load with the wrapper function that automatically sets waits only to false on every call. Think about this is a monkey patch. It overrides PyTorch default behavior. So RVC's model files can load without throwing a security error. Now the lambda function you are seeing, it takes all the same argument as the original function, merges in our override and passes everything through. Now here in this step, we are going to build the actual voice conversion function. This is the core of our pipeline, a reusable function that takes any audio file, applies an RVC voice model and saves the converted output. So here import OS from RVC python.infer, import RVC inference, and you define the function convert audio with RVC. So let me walk you through the code. Line 2, so from RVC python.infer, import RVC inference. This imports the RVC inference engine. Now this is the class that actually loads the voice model and performs the conversion. And next go through the each parameter of this function what we have written. Input path is the path to your source audio file. This should be clean vocal, ideally just the singing voice without any background music or instrument. The cleaner the input, the better the conversion. Output path, this is where to save the converted audio file, which is your final output. Model path, model underscore path, this is the path to .pth model file for your target singer. Now in our case, for example, this is the Arijit Singh's model or Bad Bunny model or whatever voice model you have downloaded. Index underscore path. This is optional but highly recommended. This is the path to .index file. If you leave it empty, RVC auto detects it by looking for a file with the same base name as the .pth file in the same folder. That's why I was saying when you download those files and put it in your waits folder, make sure that .pth file and .index file have the same file name. Finally, device. Device is set to CUDA: 0 is for GPU. If you don't have a GPU, you can still use a CPU, but it will be significantly slower. Then pitch underscore shift. This is measured in semitones. So negative values here, it lowers the pitch, and positive values raise it. -2 is a good starting point for male Hindi voices. And if you are converting a female voice to a male model, you might need -6 or -8. So here you might have to experiment to what sounds natural to you. Now let's move on and write the actual conversion logic. This is the body of our function, the actual conversion logic. So inside that body, you just write step 1, RVC equals to RVC inference, and you pass device equals to device. Step 2, RVC load model path, and step 3, you set the parameters. Step 4, you run the infer file, so rvc.infer file, and then you finally print it. Okay, let me walk you through what it does. Step 1, RVC equals to RVC inference device equals to device. This creates a new RVC inference engine instance. We pass in the device, which is either your GPU or CPU. And then the engine handles all the neural network operations behind the scene, depending on your GPU availability. Step number 2, RVC.load model path. This loads the target singer's voice model into memory. So when you point it to Arijit.ph, it's going to load the neural network weights that represent Arijit Singh's voice. It also auto-detects the .index file. Next thing is RVC set params. This configure all the conversion parameters we discussed earlier. For example, pitch shift, index ratio, voice production, the F0 method, filter radius, sample rate, and RMS mix rate. Each of these knobs control a different aspect of how the voice conversion behaves. Let me call out a few key ones. So for example, F0 up key is the pitch shift in semitones. Index rate controls how much the model relies on the voice index. So lower value give fewer artifacts but less accuracy. And protect controls how aggressively it suppresses the non-local beat, background music, etc., etc. You have to experiment with these settings to get the most out of these models. Finally, rvc.infer file. This is the money line. Here it takes your input audio, it runs it through voice conversion model with all the parameters we have configured and saves the results directly to the output file, such as .wav file or .mp3 or whatever depends, whatever you put it on. That's it. One function call, it does all the heavy lifting. And finally, let's put it all together and actually run a conversion. So we will take some clean vocals and convert them to sound like Arijit Singh. So finally, we are going to run the conversion using convert audio with RVC function. And this is the function we have defined earlier. Now, let me walk through what this is actually doing here. Here, our input file is DHARM. It could be any .wav file, a clean vocal recording sitting in your input folder. That's all you need. And the output is where your file will be saved, whatever path you give it here. And here, if we are using Arijit Singh's model, so we just say arjit.pth or badbunny.pgr or adele.pth, whatever is available in your weights folder. And you also pass the .index file for the voice feature, both sitting out in your weights folder. Pitch shift is set to -2, which is a good starting point. Product wise is set to 0.75, a bit higher than usual default of 0.5. Usually you should go with 0.5. It doesn't work out, experiment with 0.75, because we want to aggressively suppress any instrumental bleed. So, because most of the time when you are, converting a music file, you also get some instruments in the background. So if you want to suppress that, you can, work with the product wise equals to 0.75. And that's it. And once you run this, your conversion is complete, and you'll be able to play the output what I have demoed you before. And here's the fun part. Here's the beauty of this setup. If you want to try it with a different singer, just swap the model path. Let's say you downloaded a Bad Bunny model. So here you say model path and index path. Just point it to any voice model you have downloaded, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Same input audio, different model, completely different voice. So here you can experiment. You might need to adjust the pitch shift depending on the target singer's vocal range, but I think you can experiment with multiple singer model voices. Now finally, let me leave you with some pro tips for getting the best RVC conversion. Tip number 1, always use clean and isolated vocals. This is a single most important tip. If your input has a background music, drums or other instruments, the conversion quality drops dramatically. So use a vocal separator. Most of the time, if you have a song you are trying to convert, you can always use a vocal separator like DMUX, DUMUCS or UVR5 to extract the clean vocals first. Tip number 2, experiment with pitch shift. Every voice conversion is different. So start with 0, then try -2, -4 or positive values until the output sounds natural. Small changes make a big difference. Tip number 3, the F0 method matters. So RMYPE is the best for the singing. So if you are converting a spoken voice instead, you can also try creep or harvest, but RMVPE works great for everything. Tip number 4, if you hear artifacts or robotic sounds, you need to lower the index ratio. So a value of 0.3, for example, it gives a more natural sound at the cost of slightly less voice accuracy. Tip number 5, after conversion, mix the output and the original instrument track in Audacity or any audio editor. So that's how you get a complete cover song. Final, tip number 6, model quality varies. So if one Arijit Singh's model sounds bad, try a different one. You can always go back to the weights.gg or Hugging Face and download a different model.pth file or different model.index file. There are lots of different model files available in the community. Community models vary in training quantity. So always run a few tests before settling on one. And that's it. That's all I wanted to cover in this part. You just build a full voice conversion pipeline from downloading single models to running the conversion to tweaking every single parameters. Now you can take any clean vocal track and make it sound like any singer of your choice. So for example, Bad Bunny or Adele or whatever you have model for, all running locally on your GPU completely free. Now, if this blows your mind, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.